are doing a first impressions of the Haus foundation by Lady Gaga. This is the new, I don't even know how to say it, Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I picked the shade 330 medium cool to try. I don't really know my undertones. I don't think that they're cool, but this was the one that was closest to me, at least when I swatched it in the store. So this is how it looks on my face right now, and it looks really good right now, but y'all just gotta keep watching the video to see what I went through, all the tests, the trials and tribulations that I went through to get it to look like this. So if you're interested in finding out what I think about this foundation as far as the first impressions, this will not be an in-depth review as far as wear tests or anything like that. But yeah, so if you're interested to see more about this foundation, then keep watching. Alright you guys, so first of all, if my sound in this video is not the greatest, please forgive me. I have no idea what's going on with my sound. I don't have time to go get another microphone. I just need to do this now while my daughter is quiet so I can get this video done. So my face is primed. I primed with my usual Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I also usually go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, but I am out, so I will not be able to do that. But we're going to go ahead and get into the foundation, and I'm so excited to try this. This is Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. I don't know when she came out with her brand. I've been hearing about it, but I just don't know exactly when it came about. So this is apparently like a skincare foundation, which I'm all about skincare. So I'm really excited to try this, and I love the box, how it is sealed, so you know if somebody has had this foundation before or not because of the way the box is made. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and this is how it looks. So this is the packaging, which I think is an unusual shape for a foundation bottle, which I like. And I like the little H on top. And I feel like I got the best shade. Like I shade matched myself when I went to Sephora. So I think I got the best shade that I could have. And to do this foundation, I'm going to use a foundation brush because I just want to see how it's going to come out. Anyway, so this foundation has a lot of claims. So I'm going to go ahead and read it real quick to what it says. So it says, finally, a clean foundation for makeup lovers. Infused with 20+ skincare ingredients, this proprietary formula delivers ultra comfortable, long wear performance without compromising your skin. Its weightless, serum-like texture seamlessly blurs and smooths for a natural, luminous finish that wears all day. No slipping or caking. Foundation never felt or looked so good. Using the science of color theory, we obsessively formulated this perfect spectrum of 51 shades across 6 families based on your skin's depths and other undertones. Our shade numbering system, 590 to 0, is based on the pigment load by shade. The higher the number, the higher the pigment load and deeper the shade. So they do have 51 shades, so I thought that was cool. When I went there to pick out, I did see a ton of shades with a ton of different undertones. So I feel like a lot of companies are doing that now, and I feel like Rihanna was one of the first. I know she wasn't the first, but I feel like a lot of companies are being more inclusive as far as tones, undertones, and shades, so that was really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and shake this up. Ooh, I'm excited, I'm excited. I feel like I need to put a little bit more primer on now because it's been a minute since I put some on because I had to go move my daughter to my room because I thought she was going to sit here quietly and let me get this video done, but she was crying. So I went ahead and just put her on her little seat, buckled her in, and put on some Miss Rachel. Okay, if you are a parent in this generation, you know who Miss Rachel is. So you know she's no stranger to most households. She's the only way to get things done. So here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump. The shade I got is 330 medium cool, which is weird because I feel like I don't have cool undertones, but this is the one that was matched me the closest. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, I feel like this is a pretty good match. So this is how it looks on the back of my hand. No, you can't see it. I don't know why I'm showing you. So let me go ahead and start to put this on my face. I don't know, y'all. She's looking a little light. She's looking a little light. And it's crazy because I swatched this in the store and on the back of my hand, and it looked like a perfect match. And now that I'm putting it on my face, it's like, when I did the foundation match thingy online, it says I was like 350, 370. But when I swatched those in the store, they were so orange. Let me not judge until I have done the But this look, I don't know. This look a little light though. I don't know. And Lord knows I do not want to have to drive back to Sephora. Okay. It's definitely like a serum, but y'all look at me. I look like a freaking ghost. OMG. Y'all, oh my god. Oh, and then I don't even got this light on over here. Whew, I am losing it, y'all. Okay, so look at my face, you guys. I look like a freaking ghost. Like, I don't know if there's no saving this one here. Because y'all know I'm infamous for not picking the right shades. I think it's the peachy the pink undertone. I think that's what the undertone was to this. And it says it is medium coverage, so you should be able to build. Oh my god, the more I put on my face, the worse I look. Oh my god. And here I was excited to get this foundation because I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna do some reels. I'm gonna do some TikToks with this foundation. How am I gonna do TikToks looking this white? Like, there's no way. I don't know what it is, but it seems like it's not going in my, I mean, something's weird about it. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I was so excited about this foundation, you guys. Like, I haven't done a foundation review on my channel in over a year. So I was just so excited to do this, but look at me. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I do have a few new skincare makeup products that I've never used on my channel before, so that's exciting. So the first thing is the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Concealer. I got this in the shade 33.5. Why? Gosh, look at me, oh my god. I promise you, if you're an OG subscriber, you know things don't normally look this bad. I don't know what's going on today. I have no idea. Okay, so the concealer is really good. It's really creamy. It's easy to blend out. But the shade though, it's a no. So the foundation is showing up white. We got yellow concealer. What else can we do wrong in this tutorial? At this point, like I said, I'm just laughing at how terrible this looks because it looks bad. At least from what I'm seeing on camera, it looks bad. Let me lower my lights and my brightness, and maybe it won't look so terrible. Did that help at all? Okay, y'all, so I lowered my brightness on my computer. Maybe that's why I was looking so bad. I don't know. It's still not a good match. I can just tell by looking at it in person. I'll see when we'll see when we do like the natural sunlight test and all that. We'll see. Maybe it was just my lighting that made it look so bad, because it doesn't look terrible right now, but like now it's a little dark in here. It's a little dark. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use some setting powder, and I went ahead and purchased the Laura Mercier Translucent Ultra Blur setting powder and talc free. I love that she came out with a talc free powder. When I first discovered the brand, I always said, man, I wish this was in talc free. And then look at God, they came out with one that's talc free. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face. Okay, the powder is good. The powder is good. And I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place bronzer palette in the shade Tan. And I love this bronzer palette. And now I'm going to put on a little blush. Blush is my new thing. If y'all know I didn't really like blush. Still don't really like it like that, but it's growing on me. It's growing. And all I have is this Merit blush in the shade Cheeky. I don't even know how to apply blush, honestly. Because I don't wear it. Is it even applying? So alright, so now that I got that done, I usually do like highlighter, but I'm not going to do any highlighter today. I think I'm just going to leave everything like it is. And I'm just going to put on some mascara. Probably should do some. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Ignore it. We just not like see that. We just not like we don't see that. Okay, like when you have a small child in your home, you gotta do your videos and you just gotta do them while you got a chance. So I don't have time to be fixing things. So my first impressions, maybe I feel this way because I feel like it doesn't match, but it just went on a little weird. Okay, I don't know what it was, but it just went on, and they said it's a serum-like texture, and I guess initially it's a serum-like texture, but when I was trying to blend it out, I feel like it was hard to spread on my face, if that makes sense. It just seemed like it was thick and it was drying down. Oh, I'm not gonna say drying down fast because I have a ceiling fan on, so that could be the reason. So I'm not gonna say that it's that, but it's just really weird. Like something is weird about it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. It just did not spread as creamy and liquidy as I'm used to, I guess. So maybe that's just a me thing. But as far as the foundation is concerned, as far as coverage, I think it did really well with the coverage. So it covered up my dark spots, which I don't really have very many these days. Thank God. I feel like we have improved those things. Okay, there's a, okay, here we go. So I feel like that has improved as far as my dark spots on my skin. For any women who have PCOS, you know how you get these dark spots under your neck and chin from plucking hairs, or is it just me? I don't know. But so it covered my spots really well. So I definitely think it's medium to full coverage. You could definitely build up on this foundation. But like I said, it's just something about the way that it was blending. It just didn't seem to blend as easily. I don't know if it was because of the primer I chose, even though I didn't even use a Hydro Grip primer. I don't know why. I'm willing to try this foundation again in the right shade. But honestly, y'all, this looked like it was going to be the perfect match for me. Okay, if I go up to 350 I think was warm, and it's just it was too yellow. And then there was some that was too red, and it was just something about it that I just could not find the right shade for me. So this might be one of the foundations that, even though they got 51 shades, I may not find one. It looks fine on camera right now, but y'all saw how I looked. Y'all saw how I was looking. Y'all saw how I was looking. I'd be too scared to leave the house with this foundation on. I definitely don't want to wear this foundation when I know I'm going to be taking photos, because I feel like I'm going to be a ghost. So maybe this is one of the foundations you wear for a quick date night or something when you know that you're not getting pictures taken. I'd have to test that out to see, but from what I see when I put this on, I don't know. I'm going to see how it looks on camera. This is me using the back camera, testing the foundation. It actually doesn't look so bad. It doesn't look so bad on camera. I don't know. We'll see how it looks in the sunlight, but it doesn't look so bad right now. Alright you guys, so those are my first impressions of this foundation. I like that it has the skincare ingredients in there, so I'm loving that about it. I love the shade range. I just don't know if I picked the right undertone, which I don't even know what my undertone is, so let me not sit here and act like I am an expert, because I have no idea, okay? I have no idea. I don't know what my undertone is. But do you see how it's looking on my hand? This is how it looked on my face when I first applied it. But now that I've applied all my powders and stuff, it looks fine. But I still don't think that this is the right match for me, and I don't think I like the formula. I don't know. And if the Sephora that carries this wasn't 30 plus minutes away, I would probably go and get another one to review. Maybe I'll do that one day when I'm out in that direction, but all the local Sephoras close to me do not sell this stuff, so I'd have to order it online if I want to try it again, which I might end up doing, because driving back out there, y'all, so let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this foundation? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know down below in the comments. Is it black girl friendly? I don't know. But let me know what you guys think down below. And if you like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is Jerikasyncere. No more Jerika.sincere, it's just Jerikasyncere, just like here on my channel. And if you are new here, I'm so glad you watched the video to the end. And to all my OG subscribers, I love you guys, I appreciate you, I'm grateful for you. But yeah, that is all for this foundation review. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.